Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps disconnecting on the application of Teams. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Teams and you'll enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.